Hey guys, welcome to White Rock Crypto Tutorials. I'm so glad that you are currently watching this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. So let's go. I'm going to share valuable stuff in this video, so pay attention. Okay, so in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy Polygon MATIC. Okay, and like you can see here, you can buy it on Binance, and that's the reason why we are going to use Binance for this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to buy Polygon. I will also show you how to sell Polygon, and I will show you also as a bonus how to trade any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, and as a very good bonus, I will show you how to store Polygon safely, okay, in an offline wallet. So let's go guys, and stay tuned. Okay, so the first step is to sign up on Binance. Now I need you to take action. Click the link in description and sign up on Binance right now, because Binance is, in my opinion, it's the best cryptocurrency exchange right now. It's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange right now. They have so many products. It's amazing. The CEO is very active. He's like the Elon Musk of cryptocurrencies. He's very smart. And anyway, so let's go. So Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange. You can buy, sell, trade cryptocurrencies here. They have also a lot of financial products, for example, like staking, earning passive income in your cryptocurrencies. But anyway, when you sign up to Binance, you will be given your own digital wallet. Okay, so this is the same like a physical wallet. It holds all your different coins. Think about this is like USD or euros. It will hold all the different coins for you. And whenever you buy, trade, sell cryptocurrencies, they will show up right here. Okay, so now how to actually buy Polygon MATIC. All you have to do is first go to buy crypto, and you can pay with bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P, trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. Now out of these five, I have used bank deposit and credit card the most. So let's click credit and debit card. Here you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card, which is amazing. Okay, so what you have to do is click the coin here and type in MATIC, and boom, like you can see here, you can buy MATIC straight up with your credit card. Okay, so all you have to do here is follow the 4-step method here. So select how much MATIC you want to buy. Okay, and after that, confirm the payment details. So click buy MATIC and confirm payment details. After that, complete safety certification, and then the payment is complete. And when you go to your wallet, the MATIC you just bought will show up right here in your own wallet. Okay, and that's how easy it is to buy MATIC. But now I'm also going, like I showed you and said you, I'm going to show you how to sell MATIC. So now next, how to sell MATIC. Now the MATIC is in your wallet. All you have to do is go to trade, classic, go to search and type in MATIC. Okay, so MATIC has 5 pairings, sorry, 4. Bitcoin, USDT, Binance USD, and Binance Coin BNB. Okay, so which means that you can sell MATIC for all of these 4 currencies. Let's say that you want to sell your MATIC for Bitcoin. So click that. And here's what you need to know. So this is sell orders, people who are selling MATIC right now, and these are buy orders, people who are buying MATIC right now. Okay, and as you are currently in this tutorial, we are selling MATIC, so all you have to do is go to market, which means that the trade will go instantly. This is like you can time the trade, but if you want to just instantly do the trade, click market, then sell MATIC, select how much MATIC you want to sell, and click sell MATIC. So for example, if you want to sell all of your MATICs, go to 100%, and then click sell MATIC. Then it will sell all of the MATIC that you have and trade that into Bitcoin. But if you want, for example, sell 24%, go 24% and click sell MATIC. Now the MATIC that you just sold will convert into Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin will show up right in your wallet. However, now you can keep trading. So now you have Bitcoin. Now you can come here and type in Bitcoin and check out all the Bitcoin pairings. Let's say that you want to buy, for example, let's say you want to buy Dash. So click Dash, that's BTC. And again here, people who are selling Dash and people who are buying Dash. Okay, so you want to, for example, buy Dash now. So you are now trading the Bitcoin that you got from selling your MATIC. Okay, it says here. So let's say that you want to sell all of your Bitcoins and trade that into MATIC. Now you just buy Dash. Sorry, trade all the Bitcoin you own and trade that into Dash. Okay, so now you sell the Bitcoin you just bought and trade that into Dash. Now you can buy Dash. Okay, so that's how you can keep trading. And again, when you get the dash, you can just come here and, you know, trade. Okay, so that's how you can do it. That's how you can trade on Binance any coin. You can buy any coin on Binance using that method. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to store your MATIC. So when you have your MATIC on Binance, it's on Binance. So if anything happens on Binance, like exchange got hacked or something like that, it's very like probable that you won't get the cryptocurrencies back. Of course, it depends on the situation, but you know, if you don't want to take any risks, I highly recommend you to buy an offline wallet. So it's like a USB stick that will store your cryptocurrencies. So what I recommend is using Ledger. You can find the link in description. Always use the official website, so you can find that in the description. After that, you can come to this website, crypto/supported/crypto asset, and here you can find a list of crypto assets that Ledger wallet supports. And I type in MATIC here, and like you can see, it supports MATIC. Okay, boom, boom. You can click here and get even more details here. And ERC, you can secretly turn ERC tokens here. Okay, and you can check out any cryptocurrency here, does it support or not. So basically that means when it supports it, you can come here and buy the Ledger Nano S or X, and then put your cryptocurrencies on that offline wallet, and then just, you know, they are off the exchanges, so they are like, it's yours then. Nobody else can get access to it. Okay, so that's the safest way to store MATIC Polygon, in my opinion. And again, link in description, sign up on Binance, and you can also find the ledger on the description and order it there. Okay, and as a bonus, I also want to welcome you to the crypto tips newsletter. I send daily free emails to my email list. I do all kinds of crazy stuff there. Crazy meaning very valuable. So I share some tips that I found, or new cryptocurrencies that I found, or the latest news and market updates, all kinds of stuff, my top 3 picks for 2021, and much more. Okay, so you can sign up on the free newsletter if you want. I highly recommend you to. It's 100% free and people actually love it. Okay, and also quickly here, if you want to, I started a new cryptocurrency investment portfolio. I then started to document my this cryptocurrency portfolio, and I want you to have also access to the things that I'm using. So if you want, it's entertainment, okay, not financial advice. My portfolio could go to 0, but I just want to test it out. And yeah, if you want to check out my portfolio for White Rock Crypto, you can check that also in the description. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys. Okay.